What's up, everybody? So today we are going to be trying Postmates instead of DoorDash because I ordered a red card with DoorDash and they still haven't sent me the card. The problem is that if you're in the McKinney Frisco area, you have to go all the way to Addison, Texas just to pick up a red card, or you wait 7 to 10 days. I'm going to show up the link where you can get it. It's where you buy your merch, like where you can buy the DoorDash merch. And you can order your red card there. The issue is that when I ordered the 7 to 10 day one, it's been like almost like the third week and it still hasn't arrived. So apparently when you order it that way, there's no tracking, so I don't even know if it's coming or not. So right now I am driving towards where all the food places are located and where there's more traffic. I looked at the app and there's actually like a red area. So for that area, I'm gonna go to there because I know there's gonna be more orders over there than over here where I'm at. All right, so I'll keep you guys posted, and I'll drive all the way to this location and then I'll drive you along with my first day with Postmates. All right, what's up, guys? So I just got an order. I'm gonna pull up what it looks like. I'm gonna click accept delivery. It's 1921. It's a 14-minute drive. Right now I'm looking at this 14-minute drive, navigate to 1921 below 40. And we're gonna do pickup details, one item, pay with your Postmates prepaid card. Okay. For this individual. Okay, so we're getting build your own Pokeball. Right here you can see all the stuff that she's ordering, which is a bunch of stuff. Hopefully everything turns out right. Add receipt, so we're gonna have to add a receipt for this order. But yeah, so we're gonna navigate to this location. I'm gonna click navigation. I already put on there in the settings that I wanted to have Google Maps as my navigation system. All right, so we're gonna be a 15-minute drive from here to go to this below zero. Okay, so that's 5.9 miles, 15 minutes. And it's a $9 order, so well, $9 order for them. So we're gonna go there right now, and I'll take you with you. Take you with me. My bad. But anyways, let's go. I have this thing right here where I just like put it right there, but I'm recording right now, so I can't put my navigator. But anyways, it's below zero. I don't know. I've never been there. But right now we're gonna go to this location. I was hoping that since I was close to a bunch of restaurants here like Buffalo and a bunch of other stuff like that, that I would get an order around this area, but sometimes you can't control it. Plus, this is just my first order. I don't want to decline my first order. So it was like exaggeratingly like far away from my location, but we'll see. We'll see how this goes. So we're turning right here on Preston now. So just so you know, I'm going to be doing a Frisco area Postmates delivery video, and then I'm going to do also Little Elm, because I heard Little Elm gives you good tips because of like certain areas around there, like the apartment complexes. There's a lot of apartment complexes around there, and also the restaurants are located all perfectly near them. Compared here in Frisco, a lot of the houses that I'm going to deliver to are going to be pretty far from where the restaurants are located. So we'll see how this goes. I'm stoked. I actually only had to wait for like 2 minutes for this order. For my DoorDash experience, I actually waited like 5 minutes to get my first order. But I mean, we'll see how this goes, guys. I don't know. I love making these videos, so if you like watching them, please subscribe. I'll keep making these type of videos. But yeah, so I haven't seen anyone do these type of videos around my area, so I hope this helps anyone else that's interested in doing either DoorDash or Postmates or anything like food delivery service wise. I heard a lot of like bad stuff over Uber Eats, so I'm not going to be trying that. I think I should try Favor, but we'll do that in the future. But yeah, we're almost there, guys. Just kidding. We got 12 minutes. Christ. But yeah, so right now what I do is I link up my phone with my headset, AirPods. That way I can listen to the navigation and not have to like look down and stuff. And also, if I want to call the client that's ordering food, then I can just call them real quick and then let them know. But that's what I did for DoorDash. Anyways, all right, so we got this thing that's showing up right now. Current delivery updated. The delivery was canceled. Ah, dude, my first delivery was canceled. The okay. All right, I guess. All right, so now I'm in another location finding orders. What the? They should not allow free cancels. That's some bullshit. When you're halfway driving to the location and then they do that shit on you. Now I drove all the way down here for no reason. Alright. Never got a canceled order in DoorDash, that's for sure. Probably make it easier on Postmates. Alright, chill. I need to chill just a little bit. This person like canceled on me. It was my first order. Really? You had to do that on me? Anyways, I take shit personally sometimes. Alright, we got another delivery that is closer. Okay, we're gonna accept it. Alright, delivery added. Alright. Second. I got Pei Wei order. I'm gonna need to get another back. Yeah, let's go. So it's really hot here in Texas right now, and I've got my Pei Wei order, and I'm gonna go deliver it now. Okay. Doing a delivery and I can't find the office. Wait, hold on. I'll find it. I'll find the entrance. I got it. I found it. Yeah. All right, let's go. This is fun. I'm ordering for like, I think a whole office ordered some Pei Wei. I would order too.